This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Wilkey-Prim. This home is a showstopper. With views of the pool, water, and tree line, you won't want to spend any time indoors. This custom home was built by Gary Carauna and the floor plan is perfect for those who want to entertain. Hardwood flooring downstairs and recently installed LVP upstairs. Kitchen for entertaining with the stainless steel appliances, single basin stainless steel sink, new dishwasher, double oven, quartz countertops, cooktop, wine fridge and backsplash. Bar seating with views of the living room and eat-in area while overlooking the sunroom and picture-perfect backyard. PB first floor with a bedroom-sized walk-in closet. Upstairs 6th bedroom has been converted into an entertaining dream with 2 small bars. Rooms are all large with fresh paint. 2 brand new dual-zoned HVAC units, 1 bay epoxy floor and garage, electric fireplace in living room, and blinds. Located in the Hickory School District, you won't find a better value than this gorgeous home. For more information, review the details below.